Welcome to the AS Mom Challenge. We're doing today we got me, got Balto, and we're gonna be trying out some snacks. Some snacks! We got apples, we got crackers, we got a PB&J, a granola bar. I say that we get a good head start. We're gonna be trying these apple slices. I think they're really good. Okay, let's see this. Look at the quality of it. Quality. Seven out of 10 for these. The next one we're gonna try is this peanut butter free crutchless sandwich. It's like an apple pie. Wow. Mm. 7.8 out of 10 with this. It's good. Next up we have these snacks. Basically sweet cookies, but they're different. Let's try this. .1 out of 10 with those cookies. And finally we have this granola bar. Oatmeal raisin. Let's do it. .6 out of 10 with this. Alright guys, those were all of the snacks that I tried for the challenge. So let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite the most. Are they the apple slices, the crustless sandwich, the cookies, or the raisin bar? I think mine has to be the crustless sandwich because it has a better flavor. So, that being said, let me know which one's your favorite. And let me know what are your thoughts about this challenge. And I would love to hear about it in the comments. Well, it's getting kind of late now. I'm getting kind of tired. I should get to rest soon. And don't forget to subscribe for our channel. This channel. Alright. Bye now.